Ciao a tutti.
We've rented a car for the next week, and we're going to do a little bit of exploring. Today we're actually going to Ikea in Salerno.
Don't stop, 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 don't stop.
Today we came to the Ikea in Salerno. And look, even through the window it looks like Italy. Even though it's Ikea, you already feel that you are in Italian environment.
Of all the trips we made to Ikea here in Italy, this is the first time we got here early enough to get the Swedish meatballs. So we're going to see if they're how they compare with the Swedish meatballs we get in America. So they have potatoes, which is good. We got here just in time, like about a minute before they closed, but they were very nice and served us. So, what do you think, Nah?
Oh, very good. I'm already eating. It's very good. Actually, when we came, it was closed. I mean, it was completely empty. So I found somebody and I said, what restaurant is closed? It's supposed to be till 3. And she said, yeah, it's open. Go there. Somebody will come. So she was calling, Alberto, come here. So all of a sudden, instead of being really upset, we're eating. So buon appetito! I would say that our trip was a success. We are tired and ready to go home to have more fun in the evening.
Cheers. Here's to being in Italy.
Thanks for letting us know about this.
Because they don't evaluate your
Well, we are going in the center of the town because we have the party tonight. The party started at 10:30, and after that concert there would be DJ. So I don't know how long it will be, but this is European style of life. This is nothing strange. That's how people live. People have concerts at night, and we are going to see it.
Sono tutti ricordi sbiaditi che il mondo. Ok, brano portato a Sanremo come cover dai Maneskin insieme a Mano Lagnelli. Signore e signori, per voi. Mi dà l'idea che vuoi farci la vita. Un anno e un mese, un'ora. Mamma mia.
Ok, vai, questo brano penso lo sappiate, dai.
Là fuori chiunque è migliore e sai che non ci sarò per i tuoi compleanni. Sarò la sigaretta che fumi nervoso.
Sbagliatamente non metti mai niente che possa attirare attenzione non particolare.
Solo per fare cosa? Solo per farti guardare.
Per chi fosse arrivato in questo momento, siamo sintonizzati sulle frequenze.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Are people still with babies here dancing and having fun?
Ragazzi, iniziamo questa serata con i Giulia.